At Glorious Child School Limited, academic excellence is not by accident. It is by results of structure, consistency, and supervision. As a school, we believe that our learners can improve and get to the top by having proper supervision and then care for each and every one of them. We monitor, support every individual child, no matter the background or academic status. Our academic culture is built on discipline, structured supervision, and overall care for every learner. There is regular assessment, target setting, and the target setting is such that every individual learner owns their academic performance. They monitor their academic performance, and as a school, we also monitor so that there is always a progression when it comes to academic work. As a school, we don't only concentrate on academic laurels. We consciously believe in the holistic development of a child so that our core values are integrated into everything that we do as a school. A child might be brilliant, but without discipline, confidence, and values, there is no excellence. At GCSL, we want our learners to be responsible, to be respectful, to be bold, and to stand out wherever they find themselves. To every parent or guardian watching this now, we want you to know that if you bring your child to GCSL, Glorious Child School Limited, we are training the child holistically. Academic work, extracurricular activities, and all of that, so that at the end of the day, you get value for money. Thank you.